Welcome. In front of me I have STELIO Junior Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons, then swipe up on the screen to unlock it, and now you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you enjoy, and once you find the watch face you like, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. So let's say this one, you just tap on it and the watch face will be applied. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.